In the U.S., the demand for clean power, modernized infrastructure, and resilient supply chains is shaping how we create policy, invest, and grow our economy. Most of all, these factors affect how we live. With proven experience in energy, railway, and social infrastructure, Hitachi is helping power America's journey to a sustainable society. Our technologies help you make real, positive impacts in your community. America has significant public infrastructure goals: improved transit, rail networks, distributed energy resources, and more. Hitachi serves those needs, deploying the first driverless urban transit system in the U.S., featuring new innovations in video intelligence. To meet demand for sustainable electric vehicles, Hitachi established EV manufacturing plants in the U.S., positioning America as a world leader in EV technology. Supply chain stability and resilient manufacturing have never been more important. Our predictive maintenance solutions and fully automated robotic lines push efficiency even further. That's reliability made here in America. We're on an accelerated path to clean energy. Hitachi's power management systems will bring high-quality renewables closer to demand areas and help manage existing infrastructure alongside new resilient grids, an important step towards a carbon-neutral future. Backing all of this is America's push for digital transformation, which is shedding light on previously hidden social issues. Hitachi's Lumada is designed for that reason. It brings together all of your data sources, giving you unprecedented insights into your community impact. Sustainable society in America is achievable, and Hitachi is here to help you adopt, adapt, and leverage data for even greater social good. Hitachi Social Innovation is powering good.